Today in Animal Company, I'm gonna teach you, all you new players, how to play Animal Company. So you're gonna start off with no cosmetics on, and the game's probably gonna look a little weird. If you thought that it was an Animal Company or Gorilla Tag game, you'd be completely wrong. All it uses is like kind of similar to the Gorilla Tag movement. But when you first start off, you'll start with $100. So what you're going to buy with that is this small backpack. You can fit 5 items, and then you want a flashlight. This can help you see in dark areas. So you're gonna, for your first time, you should make your way over to the forest. And why you want to make your way over to the forest is because of a specific spot in the forest. So, it's just over there. It looks like a cave. And this is called the Armstrong Cave. So, you want to collect as many items as you can. And then once you've collected some items, you can go ahead. Oh, that's a bomb. Watch out. You can go ahead and sell your items. I don't know what's back there. But, okay, it was a mimic. Okay. It's weird not being here with, like, a grappler or something. Oh, wait, I can... I wish you could open this without a pickaxe. And send it into the lava. So, over here, all you're going to want to do to put items in your bag is press, if it's in your right hand, press B, and if it's in your left hand, press Y. And then pick up the item you want to put in your bag, and then just press X or A to drop it, and put it over the bag, so it drops into the bag, and then you have something in your bag, and I almost died. How am I still alive? How am I still alive? But I don't have a pickaxe or anything with me, so you can just push that off the edge, and the loot from that isn't too good, so just don't worry about it. Ooh, toilet paper! So, how many things do I have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if you're a beginner, you could fit 5 things in your bag, and then you want to take it and try to find your way out of the place you came from. I'm just gonna make a run for it. So then you're gonna be back in this forest. You're gonna avoid the stinky ogre. And then you're just gonna wanna run all the way up here. And this, if you've played Gorilla Tag before, which you probably have, you would be familiar with the movement. So, then come over to the selling machine, which is this big thing. You take your bag, put it upside down and open it. And then you press these buttons. What I say is, what I do is I press all the buttons for good luck. So then you've made your first money. I already have a bunch because I've been playing Animal Company for over 5 months, I think. But if you manage to get your hands on a pickaxe or grappler, or both, Here, let's just say you got a grappler. You can hold it in your hand, and then you would probably have crowbars unlocked by then. So I put it on my hip because I have the hip slots unlocked, but you guys wouldn't if you're new. So you want to make your way back into the forest. You can grapple onto the ceiling, and then instead of going to Mimic Pipe, or not Mimic Pipe, instead of going to what's it called? Armstrong Cave, you want to make your way into the dark forest and try to find these gates. So this is the Haunted Mansion. Once you're in here, if you see like a scary lady that just appears in front of you, just turn your flashlight off. Because if you turn your flashlight off, she can't actually kill you. Oh yeah, also watch out for those things because they can like blind you, kind of. So I didn't really get anything good from that drop. So those things can't do any damage. So like if you see that lady, just turn your flashlight off. I know it may be scary, and it is scary, but just turn your flashlight off. Trust me, she can't kill you. Like, she can't jump scare you if you have your flashlight off. So now, you have to go in all the rooms and find this key. And with this key, it's kind of like a source of light. So you can use it to guide. Well, it's not that bright, but it's something. And then you can take the key to this huge door and put it in, and then you walk through the doors. Now, you go down here, and whatever you do, don't look into that thing because it will damage you. And if you stay like in its pulse area for too long, you'll die. So once you're here, you want to mainly look for these blue crystals because they sell for more money, and they look cooler. Well, the cool factor doesn't do anything. So then you go here, boop, boop, and you might have the extra slot unlocked if you got a grab. Like, you might, wait, no, you wouldn't. So I just got 5, but I'm gonna collect as much as I can because I want to see how much money it makes. And then once your bag is full, you are going to, oh, that went into the ground. I think my bag's full. No, it's not. So once your bag is full, like mine is, make sure to grapple to the side here. And also don't pick the blue crystals up. Just grapple to the, like, on the side where the pulse monster thing can't kill you, and find this hole at the bottom. Now, if your bag's full, you won't need any of this, so just jump all the way down, and you will teleport here. This has some, like, leaks for some stuff on it. So, like, oh, this wouldn't mean anything to a new player. So that's the developer team, I think. And then just grapple up to here and try to get into this blue, like the black hole thing. Now you're back at spawn, and you want to go back to the same selling machine you were at before, and then just dump things out. So remember, the last time I made a few, like $130 from selling that stuff. Now I made 4,000 just from this tiny backpack. So this is hopefully a helpful tip for you new players in Animal Company. Just to let you know, this game may seem a little weird at first, but it is so good. So if you are like if you're confused about like the game, just watch some videos. Hopefully you'll watch this one and subscribe because it was pretty helpful, I think.